Hello, my name is Catherine. My mother Catherine named me after her mother Catherine. If I find anyone laughing at my name, I'll chop off their fingers or something. I just wanted to say hello to all my fans out there. Looking at you, Tim. Usually I'm a big bird watcher, outdoor enthusiast. But during these hard pandemic times, like all of you, I am stuck inside. If I can't go out there and watch birds and run, you're probably wondering, Catherine, what the fuck? You know what? You're right, Tim. What the fuck? I mean, look at that sky. When it's blue, you know what to do. Oh, there's a pigeon. One common domestic pigeon. I better write it down in case I forget. One pigeon. This is basically an update from your friend me to you, friend Tim, letting you know I'm doing okay, but not really. I want to be out there flying with my bird friends. Do you think they think about me as much as I think about them? Hello, Tim? Why aren't you answering me anymore? Tim, what is happening? Tim!